Drink beer, it's good for you. I'm empty-handed and I'm feeling blue, and I'm gonna drink till the day that I die.
Hello and welcome to the video. In this video I'll be sharing with you which YouTube channels I most enjoy on YouTube that are relevant to beer brewing. But before that I have a quick announcement to make. I'm so happy to say that I got nominated as the third best beer brewing channel on YouTube this year. Many thanks to everyone who voted for me, it is very much appreciated. Looking at this list, they do certainly mention some great channels, but I also feel that there are some channels that are very much deserving a mention and also of future nominations that are not on this list. So, in no order of preference, here are some of my favourites. I will start with Shortcircuited Brewers. This channel covers a great deal about the building, technical and electrical side of making your own electric brewery, and so much more besides. It is very clear that Brian the host is a great handyman with many different skill sets. You will also find all sorts of knowledge based and review based content here. Next up, Gary James. Gary is a fellow grandfather brewer that brought out a nice amount of quality videos about all sorts of brewing topics and recipes. Sadly he has not uploaded a video for around 9 months, but hopefully we will see more content from him soon. And now Beer and Barbecue by Larry. This is a cooking, homebrewing, winemaking and DIY channel all rolled into one, with a wide amount of content that is very well made and put together. I always enjoy Larry's enthusiasm and presentation style, and he gets a big audience because of it. Chop and Brew is a channel that also looks at food and alcohol with a focus on homebrew. There is a great deal of different content and the mood and production is always great. There is also a website with blogging content available also as a nice side bonus. Another YouTuber that I really enjoy the content of is Homebrew Griffo. It seems crazy to me that he doesn't have more subscribers. The great thing about Griffo is that he shares his mistakes and his successes in brewing, and he's very nice about it at the same time. I also really like the relaxed and chatty style of the channel Homebrew Brewery. He doesn't actually make very regular videos, but when he does there is plenty to keep me interested. I really like the way he reasons things out and discusses things. So there you have it. Do keep in mind that we all like different things though. My list is based on my taste and my criteria, and of course is an addition to some of the channels mentioned in this top 15 listing already. What I look for in a channel, in no particular order, is the following. Firstly, that good techniques are being shown and there's no bad advice. Secondly, good delivery of the content. Thirdly, positive and upbeat. Fourthly, reasonable quality of production. This doesn't have to be fantastic cinema quality, but shaky cameras and general bad quality just doesn't really do much for me. And fifthly, it should be useful, interesting and entertaining. This is of course my personal criteria. Yours may differ. If you watch a channel that you think is deserving of recognition, then please go ahead and mention it in the comments here. We have now come to the end of this video. I hope that you found that it hit your criteria. So if you did like this video, then please do like it on YouTube. This really helps me out and allows the videos to be seen by a wider audience on YouTube. I have always got a lot of new videos planned for the future, so if you are interested in seeing my new content, then please subscribe for future content. If you have any questions on anything that I have covered in this video or any other video, then please do not hesitate to get in touch with me via YouTube or Facebook. I'm a member of pretty much every Grainfather Facebook group and more. Happy brewing!